All right, well, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have quite a few things to talk about. So, first of all, hopefully you guys had a wonderful Christmas, a wonderful New Year's, and hopefully you guys set some New Year's resolution. Absolutely, I set up my New Year's resolution, and that will be mainly we would like to reach 50,000 subscribers for this year. So currently, as I'm filming this video, we're at 66,960. I was having a goal of 7,000 subscribers for the end of last year, which unfortunately we didn't reach, but we were pretty close. I think we ended the year with 6,920, so we were pretty close. So ultimately, the goal for this year will be 50,000 subscribers. So that's one goal for this year. Second goal, I want to try to get some more tools in here. I would like to get a air compressor, a plasma cutter. I need to build some sort of bench because I need to have a bench vise, somewhere to clamp my little brake to bend the sheet metal. So another thing is not really a goal, but I would like to start making some room in here, clearing out some more junk because we need more real estate for all the future tools that we're going to have. The next goal is upgrading the camera because, as you guys know, as I mentioned before, the audio changes whenever I have the camera facing me, and then it changes again whenever I'm facing it away from me. So I want to upgrade my video and sound quality on my videos. So that's another goal, is upgrading my camera. And then with upgrading the camera comes upgrading possibly my computer, because my computer is pretty slow. I don't know if I want to invest into the internals and upgrade the internals of the computer and hopefully to get it running better, or just to upgrade the whole computer completely. Because ultimately, if we end up selling more merch, I want to be able to have the computer working fine for my wife, because my wife is actually going to be the one that's going to be taking charge of the shipping of all the merch. And then speaking of merch, the other goal is I actually have more merch coming. I want to have somebody help me design new emblems, new logos, new designs, just kind of make some sort of design. Not like these work shirts. These work shirts are kind of pricey. So I don't know if I want to go into making these work shirts, but I was thinking of just going back into doing the regular shirts, but we're not going to do shirts until I can get a new design. And then for the hats, you guys know that I still have multiple of these perfectly ruined hats. So once these run out, I'll look into making more hats, because as of now, the multiple hats that I had from last time really haven't sold as well as I was hoping. But then again, I really don't have that many subscribers. So for now, we're going to be sticking with these hats, and hopefully by the time they sell, I'll have a new design and we'll come up with new hats. So aside from that, I have lanyards coming. I have the new updated sticker I already received, so that should be out on the website. And speaking of the website, I already created a website store with Big Cartel. So now, in order to purchase the merch, you need to go to elgallobuilt.bigcartel.com, which will be in the link below. So most of the stuff isn't available yet. Just what I have, which is the stickers, is going to be available. My old stickers and some of the hats that I still have left over. So merch, that's another big thing. And if we can keep growing this channel, hopefully the biggest goal for this year, if we can get enough revenue from YouTube and selling the merch and blow up the channel, hopefully by the end of the year, we can get a shop, because I am going to go in with a friend of mine that's going to be doing powder coating. So hopefully if we can both get our small businesses working and getting potential clientele, hopefully between both of us, we can be able to afford a shop together. So that's the main big thing. The biggest thing is hopefully if we can get enough revenue coming in, we can get a shop. But ultimately is 50,000 subscribers, tools, new camera, possibly new computer, getting different kinds of merch, updating the merch, and then hopefully getting out of the garage and hopefully opening up ultimately a El Gallo built shop. And then as for customer builds, as you see, we have Johnny's truck back, which we're going to be finishing up doing the Pro Touring tailgate. So that's what I'm going to be working on next. That's going to be the next few videos, which shouldn't take me much longer because all I got to do is finish the end caps and do the caps on this. But we still on the front have to do the tubs. He's got a front coilover kit coming. You got to do the transmission cross member that's in there. So hopefully, if Johnny doesn't order more parts, we'll be able to continue on to the next project. We have a few projects lined up, but since Johnny keeps buying parts, we can't get another truck in here. So work is coming in. We have trucks that are pretty much lined up, ready to come in. I just got to get in contact to see who has the parts ready to work on next, so I can let them know that once we finish this truck, they can bring theirs in and we don't lose any days down. So hopefully we reach all of our goals for this year, for this channel, the El Gallo build. Hopefully we can get a shop, upgrade the tools, upgrade everything, get new merch, and just blow up the channel, blow up the El Gallo build name, and see where we can take this. Sky's the limit. So that's gonna be your little update, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for the current subscribers that I have. And here's to the future subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing and watching all my videos. And hopefully you learned something from this. I'm trying to be as informative as I can. So I will see you guys on the next one. Stay tuned. I'm going to try to be uploading more often, but don't quote me on that. At the very least, I will try to be uploading every Sunday. So this will be uploaded a little bit sooner because I'm just giving you guys an update of what's going on. No, I haven't stopped uploading videos, or nothing's going on crazy that's going to be keeping me from working. So we have work. So stay tuned, guys. Be patient. Videos are coming, and I will see you guys in the next video.